How to fix Instagram story audio problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story audio problem on Android phone. First thing, just open settings and then scroll down until you find storage and then click clean up, and here you need to find junk files or cache and then click on it and click delete, and then as you see the cache have been cleaned. Now just go back settings and then apps and click apps again, Instagram, and here you will find this one here, storage. Click on it, click clear cache, and now just try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.